Is it going the wrong side? They are bloody well too. Oh, he did. I should have stuck there. RE14FPY, RE14FPY. Romeo Echo 14FFY, was it? Or FP? I can't see. I should have gone there. Let's see if he goes for it. Are you going to? Let's find the 4 sticker now. 4s 000324. Is that what you'd like to say to your boss? Sorry, 1 second. Let's come out. Don't know her. That's why I'm here. Do you get it?
I saw you every morning.
Well, I've only been 2 times. Do you know what's quite funny is the deputy... No, don't even think about it. The deputy head was asking why I was filming, which is fair enough, I don't mind. You can find it on YouTube at Cycling Mikey.
Okay.
So, what's your problem? What does that sign say there? What does that sign say there? Do you have a driving license?
No.
So, no, you don't have a driving license. Well, that would explain why you're not driving by the rules. So there's 2 things that are gonna happen now, right? Number 1, I'm sending that video to the police and they will probably prosecute you or give you a driving course. I don't know, that's up to them. Number 2, it's gonna go on YouTube. Yes. And in about 6 months, you'll be able to find that number plate there. Don't do it, because I'll block you again. That's unbelievably bad driving from you. Shame on you. And what will TFL say, huh? I mean, you depend on your license for a living, and then you do that kind of thing. That's how to get yourself fired from your own job. You got to do better, man. You got to do better.
I'm doing better. I'm following the law.
Now you are.
Now I am. So what you after now?
Sorry?
What you after now?
Nothing. I'm waiting here for another person.
Wait, I'm following the rule. So what happened now?
You carry on. I carry on.
Carry on, please, and leave him alone. He's an asshole.
Wow, 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 wow. Where do you want it to go, huh?
Listen, if I see my car, anywhere, you've been in double trouble.
That's fine, it's public.
Okay.
Call the police.
No, I don't call the police, okay? You make a point, yeah?
Right. You're going to get your car on YouTube and your face, and now taking pictures of me and coming back. I don't mind. All I say about you is you're a bit smelly. Go away.
Listen.
Go away from me.
You make point.
I'll call the police. Or if you don't go away and leave me alone.
I'm not going to do nothing. I'm just telling you. Don't put my car in
on YouTube.
anywhere.
I'm going to.
No, you're not.
And if you get even angry, I'll put it on Newslayer as well.
You can't do that.
Oh, yes, I can.
All right?
That's not the law in the UK.
I said you cannot do that.
Well, tough. You haven't got any choice. I'm going to put it on YouTube.
I said you can't do that.
Tough. You're out of luck. I can't understand what you're saying. I don't know what you're saying. I genuinely can't understand whether it's the face mask or her accent. I'm not judging her for either, but I just can't understand what she's saying. I presume she's the driver's wife, but I could be wrong. She could just be a Pax.